nieces and nephews, I'm going to show you how to make my barbecue sauce. Now, those dates I got at the food pantry, I'm going to use them to make the barbecue sauce. I've got about 6 of them chopped up here. I've got 2 bay leaves, and I've got 1/2 an onion finely minced. Also, that tomato soup I got from the food pantry, yep, that's going in there. We're going to make Uncle Chris's beautiful barbecue sauce. Now, first, pot on the fire, turn the fire up. We're going to take 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. Put that in the pot to get it started. Our 2 bay leaves, put them in there. Later, we're going to take them back out. We're also going to put in our onion and our dates. Okay. Now, we're going to let that warm up and simmer so that it makes like a base of your sauce. If you do not have dates from the food pantry, you can use brown sugar. Okay? Now, as far as barbecue spices, the basic barbecue spice, paprika, a little cumin, some garlic powder, some parsley. I put a little cayenne pepper for some kick. And you can also put in some chili powder, okay? Black pepper. And either brown sugar or dates. You would use ketchup and mustard. I will tell you how much of that. Now, if you do not have all these spices, a quick, simple, easy way to do it is to put in some chili mix with these other ingredients, okay? Now, each of these ingredients you see here, you're going to use at least a tablespoon, you heard me, of these things because barbecue sauce is always spicy, all right? Now, they do have things like this no salt barbecue sauce, seasoning, but in case you can't find this, I'm showing you how you can make yours from scratch. And that's what we're doing. And notice there's no salt added, okay? Now you see what's happening? This is boiling, and these flavors are mixing together. I'm going to stir these around. Okay? Ooh, you already are getting a scent from this. Now, I'm going to show you a secret ingredient. If you want to make your barbecue sauce taste more Polynesian, add a little allspice. Okay? That will give it that islandy flavor. A little allspice and some pineapple juice. All right? Now, as these are going around and cooking, I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. Now, you do not have to add it, okay? I'm adding some black pepper. And I'm going to add my garlic. And now we're going to put in our paprika. Okay. A little bit of cumin. And we're going to put in, and now we're going to put in our chili powder. Okay. Now once you've got these spices all in here, stir them around and get a good base going. Already this is smelling good. I'm going to mash these dates down so the sweetness comes out. I might add more depending upon how I feel. In fact, yep, I'm going to add 6 more dates. Okay? All right. Now at this point, you see it's cooked down like that, and it's like a paste, like a mash. Take you half a bottle of water and put in there. Okay? Mix that around. Now, by you using these dates and not a processed sugar, this will be better if you're a diabetic. Now, I'm not saying overeat on this, but processed sugar is not good. By this being a natural sugar, it is better. Your body will be able to digest it better. Okay? Because your body knows what it is. Now, at this point, we're going to add our tomato sauce. Excuse me, our tomato soup. And we're going to put in probably, I'm going to say, half cup of mustard. Okay. We're going to mix this together. Now, I'm going to let this cook a while and see if I need to add anything else. If you want a deeper barbecue flavor, you can add more chili powder like I'm doing. And more cayenne pepper. All right. I'm going to let this cook down a little bit until it's smoother and add maybe a little more water to it. But I'm going to come back and let y'all see how it's coming out. All right. I have decided I want a bit of a stronger flavor. So I am going to put in that chili seasoning. Now remember, this is low sodium. Okay. I want a deeper flavor. So we're going to put in that chili seasoning. And I'm a cheat, y'all. But it is not a processed white sugar I'm putting in here. I have decided, as I do this one-handed, to put in the brown sugar. Now, if you don't have brown sugar, use natural maple syrup. Okay? The brown sugar is giving me difficulties here. All right. Put in like a half cup of brown sugar. All right? All right. Nieces and nephews. That brown sugar with those dates. Oh my God, you cannot beat it. See how the color's changing? It's turning darker. Now, I'm going to put in a little bit of allspice because I want a little bit of that Caribbean type of flavor in it. Yes, yes. Now, at this point, I may add a little more water to thin it out, but it's doing good. In fact, I will. I'm going to put in about another half cup. All right. Let's let it cook down for at least another 10 minutes, and I'll be right back. Nieces and nephews, look at that. It's basically done, and this is delicious. I'm glad I used all the ingredients. I also put some more parsley in it. This is a winner right here. It's easy and simple, and look how much I made. Okay? Look how much. How much does barbecue sauce cost you in the store? All right then. Okay, we're gonna move on, and I'm gonna show you how to do the best barbecue chicken, and it is so simple, I guarantee you.